Please no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Good morning, guys. It's 5 a.m. and these kids are already awake. It's driving me insane. What are you doing behind that door? Golly. Mason. Come here, please. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Just waking up at like 7 in the morning, no biggie, right? These kids. Hi, you little terror. Hi, you little terror. You're so bad. You're so bad. Look at Shorty. Morning routine there, girlfriend. You got 30 minutes of one episode and then it's off. So it's that kind of morning. You're just gonna chill on the floor now. Mason. So I was supposed to go to the gym today. But, yes, Elena, Mama. But that didn't happen. So Elena. She's like obsessed with her Elena show. For those of you kiddies who haven't watched it, it's Princess or Elena of Avalor on the Disney Channel. But yeah, I was supposed to go to the gym today. That didn't happen. Womp, womp, womp. So I'm hoping Randy wakes up early today so we can manage to sneak out. But if not, then sorry. Maybe we could go for a walk later and then I'll just start running and then catch up to them. Yeah, because I need to get my cardio in today at least. That bed's been there forever. We put this bed in Gal's room, but she's just not really sleeping on it yet, so we're just gonna put it away. Woo, get it, girl. Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk later. Get it, girl. Come on. Show me your skills. Go. Go, Callie. So I'm just waiting for Randy to wake up. I told him I was gonna wake him up earlier today, possibly around 2-ish, because we're gonna go walk a trail near our house. I vlogged it actually. I think it was in one of our first vlogs. It's a really cool trail to walk. It actually leads to my old middle school. It's pretty cool. Go walk, get some cardio burning. I don't think I'm gonna run it. I'm not sure, actually. We'll see. There could be a chance that I do run it, but we'll see. But anyways, dude, I can't, like I said, dude, guys, like I literally can't get over these. They're just so cute, aren't they? I love them. What are you doing?
Flowers.
Why are you playing with Grandpa's flowers?
Flowers.
Mama, when you pull flowers away, you're taking their life away. You have to be nice to the flowers. I understand they look beautiful in your hair, but we're gonna make Grandpa mad. Look at all the flowers. When we're trying to take a selfie and she knocks me down. Totally on my butt, guys. Oh, hi, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. You say hi to YouTube. She's being a brat. Lulu, I'm just trying to show you some love. Ready, set, hike! So Randy's awake now. We are on our way to Smart and Final. We're gonna go get Mason some milk since he's so sensitive. So he only drinks rice milk. And then Randy's treating us to some In-N-Out today because Mama's been craving. So we're gonna go there. And then I spy a little girl with mini ears. Where's your mini ears? So pretty. Wow.
How many ears?
Her mini ears, guys. Look at her your mini ears. They're so cute to the little faces.
So we're here driving. Just an update on what we're going to be doing later this week. Date night with my beautiful wifey right over here.
He's too much.
So we're thinking about doing a silent film, possibly the Vine on Alvarado Niles. I don't know if you guys have ever been there, but apparently it's a really good place to eat. I've personally never been there, and there's an ice cream spot right next to it to die for. What's it called?
The ice cream. It's called the Niles Creamery, I believe.
But yeah, it's pretty good.
Bomb.com, guys.
Yeah.
Hit it up if you're from the Union or if you're visiting Union City. Just go. They have like the best ice cream. I think it's called the Tin the Roof Sundae ice cream or something like that, right? That's the one I get. I always get that. OMG. It's like vanilla with like fudge, and it has these like chocolate little covered nuts to die for. And then I always get that. I get a scoop of that, and then I get a scoop of the what's it called? I think it's like marble blackberry or something like that. Oh, guys, it's like heaven on earth. Heaven on earth.
Bomb.com.
Bomb. Get my little peanut out this car. Hop out, boys. We're gonna get you out this car. We're gonna get you out this car, huh, baby? Let's do this. He totally decided to kick off his shoe as I'm like taking him out the car seat. While Randy's totally tickling my ankle so I could freak out thinking it's a spider or something. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's like the worst. I'm sure all you parents can relate when you're just trying to get your kid out of the car and boom, there goes the shoe. You know? Or boom, there goes the tantrum. Right, Mason?
Alright, here at Smart and Final. Say hi, Gally.
Say hi, Mama.
Mason.
Can you say hi to all my fans and all my peeps out there? Mason looks like he's just cruising.
Oh, yeah. The struggle.
The sugar cookies.
Oh my
Those are my favorite.
Oh man.
Yeah? Yeah.
Alright. Where are we at? Oh, here it is. It doesn't even have a price on it. Oh wait, it's $3.59. You know, it's actually cheaper here versus like
than Trader Joe's.
Safeway. It's cheaper than Albertsons. Or is it Lucky's? I don't know. Trader Joe's is actually a little cheaper, but since we're in the area.
Okay, you want to get down? You gotta...
Alright guys, the craziest thing just happened. So as I'm getting milk, as I put it down on the cart, my ring falls, and yeah, I know it's crazy. I think I lost weight, or my hands or fingers are getting skinnier, but wow, look at that. My wife would kill me if I lost this. Here it is, crazy. I was single for like 2 minutes. She doesn't know that, but she'll see it when she sees the video. Anyways, that was pretty crazy. Hold on. Mason, it is a struggle to put you on. Wait, calm down. Okay. Whoa. There.
We are here. Yummy, yum, yum. Bless you, baby. Hi.
You better be grateful.
Are you ready for your cheeseburger? Gally?
Grandma,
Hey, don't be nosy. Hey, sit down, please. Gally, sit down, please. Can we please sit down? Or not? Gally.
cheeseburger,
You're gonna have a cheeseburger?
cheeseburger, Chuck E. Cheese,
No, we're not at Chuck E. Cheese. You don't like Chuck E. Cheese from what I remember.
Chuck E. Cheese,
No, you're scared of Chucky, remember? I thought you were scared.
You scared?
You said you were scared.
Scared. Candle beer.
What's this? What's this?
Chuck E. Cheese,
Nope, sorry, wrong answer.
French fries,
Food right here. Animal fries. We're all crazy for fries.
Because the teacher would always let us go early because they didn't.
Jack. Jack.
Me too.
Talk- My daughter keeps farting and it's so embarrassing.
So excuse me. Hold mommy's hand. Hold mommy's hand. Hold mommy's hand.
You hold my hand along with the shake. Gally,
Do your shoes, Gally.
Gally, come here.
Stop, come on, let's go. Mommy,
Wear your shoes. You literally just had your shoes on your feet and now they're gone. Wear your shoes.
Shoes.
Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's go, guys. Roll out. Roll out.
Mommy run.
What?
Mommy run.
Mommy what?
Mommy run.
Mommy vlogs? Hi, Mace Mace.
I'm running. Running.
Yeah?
burning these calories that we just ate.
I know, I feel so fat. But see, this is the difference, guys. We actually take the time to do some cardio. So we may eat like fatties sometimes, and we know it's not good food. But when we do have those days, we do work. We come out, we walk, you know. Normally I would run on a day like this, but I just kind of want to enjoy the fam and just walk with everyone. Like, this walk is no joke. We're like seriously crushing it.
We're feeling it just because of the burger.
Did you guys hear him? He says we think we're feeling it because of that burger we slammed. Yeah, that could be the reason that we're so out of breath. Just kidding. No, I think it's because we're like legitly just like hardcore walking right now. Super fast paced, which is just what we needed before we end our night tonight. Just gonna head home and we're gonna give the kids a bath and tuck them right into bed and have them ready by 8 p.m. all nice and sleepy.
Epic fail. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. Use those guns.
Oh, she already knows. She already knows.
Alright guys, that wraps up our walk. Time to give the kids a shower. Peace.
Yay, no
Bye.
No worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.